The Feyree Portable EV Charger is a versatile and efficient solution for electric vehicle EV owners, offering fast and reliable charging for both home and on-the-go use. Compatible with the IEC 62196 Type 2 and SAE J1772 Type 1 standards, this charger is designed to work with all electric cars and plug-in hybrids, making it a universal choice for EV enthusiasts. Its compact and durable design, combined with a 3.5-meter cable, ensures convenience and flexibility for most driveways, garages, or parking lots. As a leveled portable charger, this device delivers up to 1.6 A of current, providing a rapid charging rate of 3.5 kilowatts per hour. This is 3 times faster than standard level 1 chargers, significantly reducing charging time. The charger features an OLED screen that displays real-time charging data, allowing users to monitor the process easily. Safety and durability are key highlights of the Feyree Portable EV Charger. It is built with high-quality materials, including silver-plated copper alloy connectors, and boasts a mechanical lifespan of over 10,000 plugging and unplugging cycles. The charger is equipped with multiple safety features, such as overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, leakage, and overheating protection, ensuring secure operation in various conditions. Its IP65 waterproof rating makes it suitable for use in different weather conditions, while the dust-proof socket design enhances longevity. The charger's 3.5-meter cable is sturdy and flexible, making it ideal for both home garages and public parking spaces. After use, the cable can be neatly hung on the provided holder, keeping it organized and tangle-free. The device also includes an automatic power-off feature when charging is complete, as well as an emergency reset button for added safety. With an input voltage range of 8.5V to 6.4V and an adjustable charging current of 8A, 10A, 13A, or 16A, this charger is highly adaptable to different power sources and EV requirements. It operates efficiently in temperatures ranging from -30°C to +55°C, making it suitable for use in extreme climates. Whether you're traveling, visiting friends, or simply charging at home, the Feyree Portable EV Charger is a reliable, high-performance companion for all your EV charging needs.